Pop Tom here. Pop Tom here. So in this video, um, I thought I'd just record me trying to learn how to do some barbecued ribs. My wife got some ribs on sale here the other day, and now that I'm retired and home, I'm responsible for doing some of this stuff. On the grill I do pretty good, but I've never done like an oven barbecue or oven prep. So anyway, let me know how I did. Be kind if you would, please. Um, they ended up being really good. And I'll have some more comments at the end. Anyway, watch, subscribe, comment, and let's go from here. So we got a bowl out. Put the ribs out. They look good. Look at that. All right. We'll open them up. Cut them into smaller pieces. Easier to handle. My wife found these on sale, about half price at the store the other day. So not something we get to have very often. So try to enjoy them. What are you guys doing for Thanksgiving? I'm in Canada, so it's not Thanksgiving here, but I know it's U.S. Thanksgiving while I'm recording this. So what are you having for Thanksgiving today? There we go. Garbage. Seems to be a lot of meat in there, so should be pretty good. Wash my hands here. So I'm going to try what's called some Bad Byron's butt rub. Not sponsored in any way, but something that we have in the pantry. So put a pretty generous amount of that in there. And of course, good old salt and pepper. And I see where these professionals, they rub it in. So I'm going to rub that in there. Both sides. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of critics out there that are saying I'm doing this all wrong. And that's fine. Okay. Again, wash my hands. And then I'm going to try some of this Bullseye barbecue sauce. Why? Because that's what I have in the refrigerator. Trying to get it on the meat side of the ribs. And just let it set. Rinsing out the plastic container. We we recycle plastic here where I'm at. How about where you're at? And I know it gets recycled here because I used to manage the facility where it goes, and doesn't have to be perfectly clean. Anyway, locally what they do is they take it, they grind it, and then they send it to companies that make like decking boards and posts and stuff like that. Now, I'm a big proponent of garlic powder, not salt, powder. So, put a little bit of that on there. Okay. Well, we'll let that set for an hour or so, and then I'll turn it and put some more spices on it. I'm going to stick it, oven's off, I'm going to stick it in there. We have dogs and cats, so got to keep it protected. Okay, phase one down. All right, I'm back again. So just trying these a little bit. We've been soaking a couple hours, I guess. Now then, I'm gonna try some just good old-fashioned mustard. More of the butt rub. And then we'll put her on a tin sheet with parchment paper. Wash my hands again. A little more salt. A little more garlic powder. And we'll set the oven at 250. We'll see how that works. And there they go. What do you think? What do you think there? They look good? Let's see. Well, let's see how they're looking. Oh, yes. They're looking pretty good. I'm going to turn them now. And of course, you have to have some fries and veggies with your barbecue ribs. All right. Came out of the oven. Looks pretty good. We'll see how it tastes. So as you can see, they turned out pretty good. We ate them all up. My wife had a couple of suggestions. First of all, she said they were spiced perfectly, and that's a compliment from her. She's a really good cook. I love her to death. Anyway, she boils hers, does two things. It helps remove some of the excess fat out of it, not all of it, but a little bit of it, so it's not quite as fatty because they were pretty greasy. And then it also helps cook down to the bone because they're after cooking, I had them cooking for an hour and a half at 250 and for a half hour at 350, and they still needed to be cooked just a little bit longer. So anyway, she says that's how she does it, and that's probably a good idea. Anyway, they turned out really, really good. The girls loved them. They ate them all up. So I think it was a success. There's just a few little things, but the spicing, I think I got pretty good. Anyway, what are your thoughts? Remember, this is really my first time doing this, so be kind. So have a great day. Remember, you are loved. God loves you. You have a great day now.